Okay, so this is the original tailpipes at the back, what it looked like as stock. And underneath the vehicle, you can see there that there's these baffles just before the rear back box, which I needed to remove. This is the top of the screen, is actually the back of the car. So those were then taken out, and we can see now the Y piece there, which is, I've just got this tacked in place on one side, the right hand side. You can see the gap there where the baffles were and the heat shield. So once I got this off on the bench, I can weld it up properly. You can also see the valve on the left hand side there. So this is rolling up here, making sure we get it nice and sealed. We needed to modify the brackets slightly. And now we've got both Y pieces with the exhaust cutouts in place. The back of the car is on the left of this image. You can see the heat shield there where the original internal intermediate baffles were. Wiring to those electronic cutouts comes up through the underneath of the floor. Slightly closer image there, you can see one side, what it looks like. And there's another nice little close image with the motor at the back there, because the electronic cutouts that open up a butterfly valve. So a little bit of wiring needed up inside. This is underneath the boot or trunk. There's a couple of boxes at there. So the remote control is how they operate these valves. And the wiring I tidied up and powered it to the car's 12-volt supply. So now I need to make a decision on what tailpipes to use. Now I decided to go with the sort of slightly angled AMG twin pipes to give it that quad look. And looking at the car, this was the original tailpipes, and underneath you can see there that is actually all welded one piece. Trying to remove this was pretty difficult. There's actually a dual skin in the end. You can see that there. And this is where we're now going to weld on the twin pipes for each side. So that's the left hand side done there. And I had to just trim away slightly the bottom of the bumper as well to accommodate the slightly wider twin pipes. So it's looking good. One side done, the other side still to go.